With us is Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev, live from the White House ahead of that signing. Vlad, your presence there speaks volumes. We've got a bunch of people there just ready for this ceremony. The industry is being kind of fully embraced by this administration. And what's the significance of this moment with the stablecoin legislation for you?
It's incredibly significant. I think it shows that this country is ready to take the lead globally with digital assets, and it should be in the lead. Digital assets, along with artificial intelligence, are the two frontier technologies that are not just going to shape the future of the financial industry, but the future of every industry. So we're really happy about this. We think, and we spoke about this last time from France, that connecting crypto technology to assets that have real world utility is how you actually unlock a tremendous amount of potential for this technology and unleash it. So stablecoin, if you think about it, is the most basic form of tokenization. You're not tokenizing stocks, but you're tokenizing dollars and U.S. treasuries. So I think this paves the way for the entire financial system to eventually be powered by crypto technology, and that to lead to much more value to users and much better economics. So we're excited to support that and for what's to come with clarity and beyond.
I think it's like a multi-trillion-dollar source of demand for future T-bills that has just conveniently arrived for this White House and for the deficit as well. But Vlad, I'm curious, you bring up the tokenization thing, which I know after our interview and after your launch over there was a lot of back and forth about, wait, does this actually represent a security? And, are the private companies involved really on board with this and so forth? I mean, I think that debate actually tells you, even as far as the industry's come to this point, there's still a lot of road left to go. What more needs to change on the legislative and regulatory front for you to feel like it's, fully unleashed to be living up to the potential that you foresee?
I think there's certainly more to be done to get tokenization of real-world assets live in the United States, but there's actually a lot of excitement. You've seen many statements by the chair of the SEC, Paul Atkins. You've seen statements by Commissioner Hester Peirce about how they're actually very keen to create a workable framework to allow tokenization of securities. So I think it's going to take some work to figure out exactly what that looks like.
Yeah.
But of course, Robinhood's very excited to not just lend our expertise, but also demonstrate through our work in the EU how we can actually have functioning product and market that adds a tremendous amount of value to our customers. So we'll keep iterating on that. But I think there's no better way than real product in customers' hands. And we've delivered that in the EU.